Hello students, good morning. Today in our live class, some students are not connected due to some net connectivity. So today I am going to send you the recorded video of that live class. Okay, in that class we did some book activities of chapter 1. Okay, so let's start with that. Take out your books and page number 6 of English reader book, page number 6 of English reader book. Okay, so these are the choose the correct answers. Number 1 is dash saw the eagle's egg first. Who saw the eagle's egg first? Ollie Owl. Ollie Owl saw the eagle's egg first. Ollie Owl ने सबसे पहले देखा था. Okay, so Ollie Owl is the answer. Next, the eagle's egg fell out of its nest because of a बिग विंड. जो ईगल का एग था वो किसकी वजह से नीचे गिरा था? बिकॉज ऑफ बिग विंड. विंड मीन्स हवा, बहुत तेज हवा के कारण. ओके, देन बैरी बैकर लव्ड एग्स. बैरी बैकर लव टू ईट एग्स. उसे क्या पसंद थे बैरी बैकर को? एग्स. ओके, देन अ टाइनी डैश अपीयर्ड ऑन द एग. बेबी क्रैक और डॉट. क्रैक मीन्स दरार. उस एग पे क्या आ गई थी? क्रैक आ गई थी. ओके, सो क्रैक इज द राइट आंसर. देन ऑली हेल्प एरमा कैरी द बेबी टू इट्स नेस्ट, द फॉरेस्ट, द सिटी. ओके, सो एरमा ईगल की ऑली आउल ने हेल्प की थी कहाँ ले जाने के लिए उसको? इन इट्स नेस्ट, उसके नेस्ट में. सो नेस्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, so come this side, exercise number A of page number 7. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun. I hope you all know, because I already taught you that proper noun is a particular name and common noun is a name which we can apply for any person, name or place, or any person, place or thing. Okay, so number 1 is the river of India. River is a common noun, so we will underline that. And India is a proper name and particular name of a country, so we will circle that. And always remember students that proper noun always starts with capital letter. Okay, number 2, the Queen of England. England is a proper noun and Queen is common noun, so underline this and circle the England word. Then number 3, the people of France. The people is common noun and France is proper noun. Okay, then the animals of the Gir forest. Animals common noun and Gir forest is the name of a forest, so circle that. This is a proper noun. Then the beaches of Chennai. So Chennai is the name of a place and beaches is common noun, so underline this and circle Chennai word. Okay, then number 6, my cousin from America. Cousin common noun is here and America is a name of a place, name of a country. Okay, so circle that. Then come to the next exercise, collective noun. So okay, collective noun, you have to match the proper collective noun with its options. A class of students, a group of students we call class. Then a flock of sheep, a flock of sheep. Number 2, match it with number D. Okay, a group of sheep we call flock. A herd of cows, a group of cows we call herd. Okay, a swarm of bees, the group of bees we can call swarm. Okay, then a crowd of people, the group of people we can call crowd. Okay, so match number 5 with number A. Okay, then come down this side. Again some groups of collective nouns are given to you and you have to fill them in the correct options. Okay, number 1 is already done for you. Come to number 2. I gave my grandmother a dash of flowers on her birthday. A group of flowers is bunch. Bouquet also we can say, but bouquet is not given in the options. Bunch is there, so we will write here bunch. A bunch of flowers. Okay, then we saw a dash of ships at the port on Sunday. A group of ships is called fleet. Okay, so write fleet here. Then number 4, the police caught the dash of thieves just when they were trying to escape with the money. The group of thieves, गैंग. चोर के ग्रुप को क्या कहते हैं? गैंग. जितने भी गैंगस्टर हैं उनके ग्रुप को गैंग कहते हैं. ओके, सो गैंग विल कम हियर. देन लास्ट I saw a dash of red ants under the guava tree. The group of ants. Ants के group को क्या कहते हैं? Colony. So colony will come here. Okay, students, write this in the book. Then this side, you have some words, action words, or you have to write them in the correct options. Okay. Hopping, flapping, walking, swinging, and flying. Okay. Number 1, the pretty butterfly is flapping its wings. Flap means wings को फड़फड़ाना, move करना. Okay. It is ready to fly. Okay. वो उड़ने के लिए तैयार है. That is why it is flapping her wings. Okay. Then number 2, Nakul is dashed to school today. He missed the bus. नकुल ने आज स्कूल बस मिस की क्योंकि वो वॉक करके स्कूल गया था. सो नकुल इज वॉकिंग टू द स्कूल टुडे. ओके. देन नंबर 3, द रैबिट इज डैश अवे. वेयर इज इट गोइंग? द रैबिट इज डैश अवे, होपिंग. हाउ द रैबिट इज मूविंग? बाय होप. होप करके फुदक के वो जाता है. तो होपिंग विल कम हियर. ओके. द सन हैज सेड द बर्ड इज dash back to its nest. The bird is flying back to its nest. Okay. Then number 5, the monkey is swinging from one branch to another. Swing means jhula jhulna. Okay. So monkey is swinging from one branch to another. Okay. So these are the activities of chapter 1. Now come to the chapter number 2, the tale of Peter Rabbit. So today we will do this chapter's back activities also. Okay, so let's start with the page number 17. Okay, this box is given to you and A and N. आपको यहाँ पे ब्लू बॉक्स में ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. यू हैव टू चूज कि A कौन से वर्ड्स के साथ आएगा एंड N कौन से वर्ड्स के साथ आएगा. लाइक अ हैड, देन अ एंड नहीं हो सकता, अ फॉक्स विल कम हियर, देन अ boy, a got, a table. Okay. Okay, like this you have to do. Write them in this box. Okay. Then now an ant, an owl, an ice cream, an eagle, and aunt, because these are starting with the vowel and the sound is also vowel. So an इनके पहले किसका यूज करेंगे हम? And. Okay. So do this in your book. Okay. Then come turn your page. Take the correct option. You have to tick whether it is right or wrong. Number 1, he eats the egg. The egg will not come, an egg. So it is wrong. Okay. Number 2, father told me a story last night. A story. एक कहानी सुनाई. So it is correct. Okay. So it is right. Number 3, he swam across an Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the name of the ocean, so the will come, and will not come here, so it is wrong. Okay. Maharashtra is a state. It is right. So make a correct mark here. Number 5, Sarah gave me an yellow dress. A yellow dress will come here. So this is wrong. Okay. Then again complete these sentences with the help of A and D. So India is a big country. Sarah is a dancer. Where's the bird? I can't see it. We are talking about a particular bird. That's why the will come. Okay. Are you a doctor? A doctor. क्या तुम एक डॉक्टर हो? Okay. The principal gave away the prizes. The principal. We are talking about a special person. That's why the will come. Okay. Then come to the next page. Page number 19. Okay. This exercise. Rushed towards, ran behind, flew away, wriggled out, climbed up, flopped onto. These are the options and these are the sentences. With the help of these sentences, you have to choose. With the help of these options, you have to complete the sentences. Okay. Number 1, it was getting late for school. Elsa and Emma rushed toward the bus stop. रश टूवर्ड्स मीन दौड़ के वो वहाँ गए उसके बस स्टैंड के बस स्टॉप की तरफ, बिकॉज दे वर गेटिंग लेट फॉर देयर स्कूल. नंबर 2, द स्पैरो डैश व्हेन इट सॉ द ईगल. द स्पैरो फ्लू अवे, वो उड़ के चली गई वहाँ से दूर. व्हेन इट सॉ द ईगल, ओके, सो फ्लू अवे विल कम हियर. Sorry, then the baby elephant ran behind its mother who was walking in front of it. Baby elephant, students, I think you always saw, you always notice that whenever a baby of any animal is walking, that is always walking behind their mother. Okay, उनके मम्मा उनको लीड करती है और वो उनके पीछे वॉक करते हैं या दौड़ते हैं. ओके, सो द बेबी एलिफेंट रेन बिहाइंड इट्स मदर हु वाज वॉकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. ओके, नंबर 4, कीप टू योर लेफ्ट व्हेन यू क्लाइंब अप द स्टेयर्स. जब आप सीढ़ी पर चढ़ते हैं तो हमें हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड यूज करना चाहिए. क्लाइंब अप मीन्स ऊपर चढ़ना. ओके, नंबर 5, आफ्टर द रेन्स द earthworm wriggle out of the mud. wriggle out means रेंग कर बाहर आना. so earthworm wriggle करके रेंग के बाहर आते हैं. so wriggle out will come here. okay, last, the children were so tired after dancing that they just flopped onto the sofa. वो चिल्ड्रन इतने ज़्यादा थक गए थे डांसिंग के बाद में कि वो एकदम फ्लॉप्ड ऑनटू सोफा मीन्स एकदम निढाल होके सोफे पर लेट गए, एकदम थक गए थे वो. ओके, सो फ्लॉप्ड ऑनटू विल कम हियर. सो दीज आर योर बुक एक्टिविटीज, फिल दैम. ओके, थैंक यू.